Okay, welcome back to SpartyHawk Cash here. I'm going to set this up. I thought I had it set up, but apparently I did not. So we are back to open up a few more packs and see if we get any hits here. This is the second 6 packs from this 2016 Allen and Ginter Museum Collection box break we're doing this afternoon. And just making sure we're getting everything in focus. I hope we are. It looks like we are. Sanchez, start off with a rookie card. Gary Sanchez. It's nice. Pineda. Another rookie card. Faulkner. Corey Kluber. The Indians are definitely doing really well this year. They are surprising a lot and could end up being a Cleveland-Chicago Cubs World Series, perhaps. There's a nice David Ortiz. There's his mini parallel right there. Pretty cool. Cool looking card. Crawford. We have a nice autograph card of him from Gypsy Queen, 2016 Gypsy Queen we pulled just the other day. And then we have Dickerson and Osuna. We had Ozuna earlier, and this is Osuna with an S. All right, next pack. Okay, still no hits. Still looking for some hardware. There's a nice card, Manny Machado. He and Giordano Ace Ventura brawled earlier this year. Francesca. Mike Francesca. Mad Dog, I guess. Radio guy. Lamb. I want to say Jason Lamb. No, John Lamb. Rookie card. It's a good guess. Sano. Oh, there we go. Miguel Sano. There's a Robin Yount base card. Pretty cool. And let's see if I get that. Nice. He's actually got a couple of his 3,000 hit bat, or a bat that he hit his 3,000 hit with, and the ball that the 3,000th, well, that's a tongue twister, 3,000th hit ball is on auction at SCP Auctions right now. And we posted a little something on our Facebook page, SpartyHawk Cash. Pretty cool listing there if you want to go check it out on our Facebook page. Brooks Robinson, and then look at that, Joey Bats gets a numbers game card, number 19, Joey Bats. And the mini relic that fell down there is pretty cool. This is a rookie card, mini relic rookie card on Ref Snyder, Ref Snyder. So pretty cool. Got a little rookie action there. Making one correction here. Okay. A&G. All right. Whoop. Next pack. Pack number 3. Nice. Still no hits. Betances with New York. Brandon Phillips with the Reds. Longoria. Heaney. Clayton Kershaw. Regular back on his mini parallel there. The Cuban Embassy, there is an interesting card. Pretty cool. Cuban Embassy. You don't see that every day, right? And then Robertson, and finishing off with Jackie Robinson on the numbers game card. Pretty cool. Nice looking card. So I like that series there, the numbers game. All right. What else we have here? Still no hits. Still going strong here. Let's see. Storin, the Blue Jays. We have Martinez, Tulowitzki. Oh, there's a blast from the past. Jim Rice. Nice picture of Mr. Jim Rice. Gausman. Regular back. Rookie Knudsen. Guido Knudsen. Another rookie card, Lee. All right, I apologize for that. I think we're continuing on with this video, but phone call came in, disconnected me, and so such is life, right? There's finishing off that pack was a Steven Strasburg numbers game card. So, all right, we're down to pack number, what is this, 5? Maybe a hit. And this, let's see, Piscotty rookie card. Let's make sure we're focused in. Okay, Piscotty. We've got Oliveira, another rookie card. Got Gonzalez. Wow, the other Sklar brother. Look at that, matching pair. Randy Sklar. So we've gathered both of them. We have a Amazon Forest card, Natural Wonders. U.S. Mayors, we have Fulop. Who's this? Stephen Fulop from Jersey City, New Jersey. And that's our second Mayors mini card. We have McCutcheon and Martin. All right, last pack. Okay, well, not sure what we got here. We've got Macbeth. He looks like he's a ultimate frisbee guy. Yeah, disc golf, not ultimate frisbee. So disc golf. We got Verlander. Call him Mr. Upton for Kate Upton. His wife. We have Zimmerman. Ryan Sandberg. There we go. It's a nice looking card. Sandberg. Blast from the past there. We have the Machado base parallel mini card, which we already have the base card, so that'll complement that if we list it on eBay. Garneau rookie card. Peralta. And, ooh, what do we have here? World Champ. This is kind of an interesting card. I'm trying to figure out what this is. World Champion Julio Urias. It's missing. It's kind of weird. It's weird. It's different colored stock. It's white stock. It's not a rip card, I don't think, but it's missing the actual writing down there. You can see the Allen and Ginter. I'll do it like this. Might be better. So, interesting. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know enough about these cards to make an executive decision unless it's just a card that actually probably it looks like it's a defect because it looks like there should be a rookie card thing, and I think it just didn't get printed on. So not even a special card, but a defected card. That's what it is, actually. So we will have to notify Topps on that and see if we can get something special back from Topps. But that's what it is. It just never got printed out. So interesting. Thought we had something there, but we didn't. And I don't know, it was weird, different stock paper. So, okay, we'll be back.